So today is gonna be kind of, just a little bit chit chat kind of with me. All right, so if this is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Thank you so much. God bless you. Today, you all saw the last video that I uploaded. I was saying something about some mascara that we want to give it a try and see how it looks like. Okay, you all can tell I'm wearing false lashes right now. Alright, anyway, so today, which is the reason why I am talking to you, I am so excited. Like, I don't know how to say this, but I just thank God because God has been good. He's been faithful in every ways. Okay, I have this dream that I've been trying to achieve for the past so many years. Okay, and God has been helping me, helping me step by step, slowly but surely. Okay, anyway, let's go back to the mascara we were talking about. So the mascara that I featured, I'll put the link in this video up there or up there, wherever you see it, or I will insert the video into this, okay, for you guys to see what I'm talking about. That mascara, actually, it's my new baby. Yeah, yes, the mascara is by me. Like, I have lashes line and I have mascara now. They both go together, right? You do this, either you do this or you do that. Okay, so I'll be having it on my website soon. They are here, they are arrived from production, and you all can see I'm having my false lashes on right now because I just wanted my new viewers that are just coming across my channel to know that this is how my lashes look like. Bam, 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 shoo, 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 shoo. Okay, anyway, this is the packaging. It's demidazzling.com. that's the name of my website, and this is my brand name, Demi Dazzling, and this is Arawa at the back. I'm originally from Nigeria, Yoruba speaking part of Nigeria. Arawa means beauty. Okay, I just thought about, I don't want to forget my origin kind of a thing. Why will I leave it behind or forget about it? Because I'm privileged to be in America. So I'm going to keep the legacy going. In most of my product that will be coming up in the future, I can use some other names, but I'm still going to, Yorubanize some of them, if that makes sense. Anyway, so let's talk about this bad girl. Yay! So this is my mascara, and I'm sure you all saw it in the last video, which I did not say anything about it, if it is mine or it is not mine. The video where I talk about Dollar General stuff, foundation. Okay, so this is it. This is the packaging. This is the one that I've opened, that I've been trying for weeks before I decided to come and talk to you guys about it. Demi Dazzling, this is my brand name. Like I said, I have the ingredient that they use to produce this, so it's not going to go like, oh, what do they have in there? I didn't produce it in my house here, but I work with some wonderful faithful vendors. Like, they are really awesome. Okay, so they have the ingredient right here, what we have in there. Okay, so I'll be talking about this later in the future, but I don't want this video to be too long. Like I said, this is Lash Bomb Volume Mascara. Okay, it's supposed to give your mascara that boom. Okay, boom. Okay, all right, and again, this is it. This is how it looks like. This is the packaging. I'm a freak when it comes to gold, so why not? Gold is part of my signature look. Okay, I'm going to have this on my website, and if you want to help a sister to continue to grow, please do go check out my website and purchase my mascara and my lashes. And please don't forget to leave me a review as well. Leave me comments in this video. Let me know your thoughts. I thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you all. God will bless you for your love, for your kindness and favor that you have been showing to me on this channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. God bless you. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.